Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes. I do beauty videos. I post 3 videos a week when I can because I am also a full-time mom. But if you enjoy that type of content, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new, welcome on back. Today's video is going to be kind of a quick review. I got my hands on the MAKIAGE X CARLI BYBEL collection. So I picked up her lipstick, her lip liner. Honestly, the main thing I wanted was a lipstick, but I figured I would support a fellow YouTuber and get the whole bundle. Not sure if her product is still up for sale, if it's sold out or not, but I also ended up getting the bronzer, highlights, and blush duo. So I'm super excited. I've actually never tried anything from Il Makiage besides like their foundation, which was a few years ago, and I've never really bought anything from CARLI BYBEL's collections. I don't think I have, so I'm excited to see if this is going to be a Latina skin approved. Like, is this good for my brown biscuits out there? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry if I sound or look a little, I'm definitely coming down with a cold. My husband's sick, my baby boy was sick, my daughter was getting sick, my sister was sick, so I'm definitely catching on to something. So I'm sorry if my energy seems a little bit low today, but I still hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump with today's CARLI BYBEL X Il Makiage review. I feel like my skin looks a little pale. I accidentally started adding bronzer to this side of the face, and then I realized, I was like, oh, tonta, you are about to film a review. So if you don't know who CARLI BYBEL is, she is an OG YouTuber. I'm pretty sure you guys know. Sometimes YouTube tells me what type of content or who else my viewers watch, and I know that some of you watch CARLI BYBEL, and she's, like I said, an OG. She did a second round with Il Makiage. I didn't get her first collection, but I'm super glad that I did. So they came out with a light, medium, and a deep palette, I believe. So it's a bronzer, a highlight, a blush, and I think this is like a bronzer topper or something like that. The names are on the back of the packaging. The packaging is so stunning. It's like a navy blue, and then it has these really pretty like stars and intergalactic stuff, you know. So I think we're going to jump right into the application of this because I'm excited. So first things first, I have foundation on, I have powder on, but I don't have any bronzer anywhere else besides this little patch, which shouldn't affect too much. I'm going to be using this Bella Cosmetics brush that I got from Beauty Creations a while ago. I'm going to start off with the bronzer. This looks like a really nice baked formula, and I believe she said this formula was baked. I don't know. I'm going to, oh! Okay, that has a really nice payoff. I think it's gonna start raining soon, or I think it's raining already. Yeah, we've been getting so much rain. I am not used to this rain, you guys. In Utah, we got rain, obviously, but it didn't rain nearly as much as it rains here in Texas, which I'm not mad about. I love the rain. I could just sit and look at the rain and stare at it all day long. It's just so beautiful to me. So a quick first impressions. Okay, I already like this bronzer. I'm going to switch brushes just because I want something a little bit more precise. I'm actually going to go in with this Stilazzi brush. This is a contouring Cheek and Chisel L309. And again, I'm just using that same bronzing color. Oh yeah, it's coming down. And I did powder my face with a little bit of a setting powder, like a loose setting powder. And this is going on really, really nicely. It's nice and silky. It's not skipping, and it's definitely showing up on my skin. I think if you're maybe like a shade to 2 shades darker than me, you can definitely get away with the medium palette. I'm just going to go back with this big brush and just kind of blend it even more. Oh, I really like that color. This to me is like the perfect color for bronzing. It has nice, rich, golden undertones. I'm sure you guys know at this point the shades that I like for my bronzer. I wish you guys could hear the rain, but it's pouring pretty hard. I'm going to take a little bit of the bronzer. That's so pretty. It has really pretty like cracks of gold. Yeah, this is definitely like a nice topper. That's pretty. It actually looks really good on the skin. It's not too glittery. I like that actually. I'm going to add a little bit to the forehead. This will look really pretty on the body as well. So maybe we can add a little bit here. And then maybe here. Oh, you see? It's a little pop. Okay. So now let's go in with the blush. This blush is a really pretty peachy pink. It's definitely leaning more pink. I personally, of course, wish it was like a straight peach nectarine, but you know, obviously not everybody has the same taste as me. And sorry, let me turn off my phone. I'm gonna take that on this Alamar Cosmetics brush. And I'm going to take the pink. Yeah, it's definitely pinky with some peach undertones. That's really pretty though. And obviously if you like pink, this color is going to be up your alley. She did say that she wanted to create something that wasn't really in the market, something that a lot of influencers weren't doing. And I do have to agree that I don't see a lot of collabs like this. But these colors are nothing that you haven't seen before. I think at this point it's more about knowing where you want to spend your coins and knowing who you want to support. I personally wanted more the lipstick, like I said, and this just to support her, because CARLI BYBEL is one of those people that she just radiates how genuine and beautiful her soul is. Like I've obviously never met her, and I don't know, she just gives such good vibes, and she has the most cutest little boy now. I'm like, we're mom twins. Now we both have little boys. Even though she has no idea who I am. It's okay, we can be friends in my imagination. Oh, my eyes are starting to get so red. No, I do not want to get sick. Do not. Get out of my body. Okay, let's move on to the highlight. I did swatch it and chef's kiss. It looks so beautiful. I've been watching Juicy Jazz way too much. All right, let's go in with the highlighter. I believe this one's called Little Star. The blush is called Aries. This one's called Interstellar, and then Gemini. Something like that. You guys know that I suck at putting names from the back to the front, but we're going to take this shade. This is a golden highlight, and I'm going to take that to, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I mean. I haven't been impressed by a highlighter in quite some time. I actually just posted a review of, I applied too much. I tested a bunch of drugstore makeup, and I tested a new highlighter from a new brand from Walmart. And I was just like, it's okay. So if you guys want to see that, I will have a card up here. You guys can click on that. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes really quick. Then we're going to try on the lipstick. Lashes are on. Let's apply the lipstick. First going in with the lip liner. Again, this is the shade Luna. I already know I'm going to love this. I saw it on her and I was like, I need it. I love me a good brown lip liner, if you didn't already notice that. Lip liner is super, super, super creamy. I don't even want to apply the lipstick because the components, like the product, is so beautiful, but let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Super creamy. It's definitely a cool tone, but I'm honestly living for it because mainly all my nudes are very warm or peach toned. So this is the lip combo, and honestly, I am not mad at anything at all. I love this palette. I think it's beautiful. Again, it's something like crazy. Wow, you need it. maybe not. But if you love Carly, if you love Il Makiage, I think this is definitely something that you want to pick up. If you are a collector and you like collecting, I don't know, influencers collabs, then I think this is totally worth it. I believe the whole set was $80. It is Il Makiage. They're a little bit more like high end. The palette is totally worth it. I can see myself using everything, even the blush, which I know usually I'm not a pink blush person. Definitely, if you're gonna get something from this collection, you love nudes, this lip combination is perfection. So definitely approved, Latina approved, brown biscuit approved. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm actually gonna go take some medicine because I'm starting to get a nasty headache right around here. So thank you all for being here with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So yeah, that is it. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will catch you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.